The Weather Magician with Peter J. Wiggins. The Morning Report. Wednesday, April 17th, 2013. A good morning to you all. Current conditions at 8:30 a.m. on this April 17th, 2013 on a Wednesday in Norton. Temperature is 56 degrees with mostly cloudy skies with a humidity of 60%. Wind speed northwest about 5 miles per hour. Barometer 3.14. 2.42 degrees. Visibility 10 miles.
She makes a little extra money and she's helping other families as well. So it's a win-win.
I like that. Then where to find new bang for your buck. We're talking about jeans and even get this work.
Okay, our radar shows some clusters of showers off the Cape Cod and off the Long Island coast. And a few showers around the eastern center Massachusetts around Rhode Island. Okay, 7-day forecast goes like this. For today will be mostly cloudy early, then cleared with a high near 67 degrees. North winds about 5 to 8 miles per hour. Tonight, clear skies with a low around 34 degrees. South wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour, becoming calm in the evening. Thursday, sunny with a high near 62 degrees. East wind about 5 to 13 miles per hour, becoming south in the afternoon. Thursday night, a chance of showers before 10 p.m. with a slight chance of showers after midnight. Mostly cloudy with a low around 50 degrees. South winds about 7 to 10 miles per hour with a gust as high as 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 30%. For Friday, a chance of showers, partly falling between 7 a.m. and noon. Otherwise cloudy with a high near 68 degrees. South winds about 10 to 18 miles per hour with a gust as high as 31 miles per hour.
What's going on around the country? Here's what's happening in your neck of the
Chance of precipitation 30%.
mostly sunny.
Friday night, a chance of showers before midnight, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms between midnight and 2 p.m. Midnight and 2 a.m. Then showers likely and possibly a thunderstorm after 2 a.m.
Mid-50s.
Patchy fog before 11 p.m. and otherwise cloudy with a low around 53 degrees. A chance of precipitation 70% and new rainfall amounts between a quarter and a half an inch possible.
In the air on Friday.
Saturday, showers likely mainly before 1 p.m. mostly cloudy with a high near 61 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 70%. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a low around 34 degrees.
The first 18 hours and remains.
Sunday, sunny with a high near 57 degrees. Sunday night, mostly clear with a low around 33 degrees. Monday, mostly sunny with a high near 55 degrees. Monday night, a chance of showers, mostly cloudy with a low around 38 degrees. Chance of precipitation, 30%. And Tuesday, a chance of showers, mostly cloudy with a high near 58 degrees. Chance of precipitation, 30%. Peter's weather phrase of the day, a winner of a day on a Wednesday after clouds early in the morning. This is Peter J. Wiggins saying, have a good day with a good positive attitude. Time now is 8:32. It's 28 minutes at 9 o'clock in the morning time, and it is time now for a traffic report. And our top story is still the crime scene
As expected.
that is closed off most of the back main in the city of Boston, and here the roads are still closed.
We had
Wilson Street closed between Massachusetts Avenue and Berkeley Street
amputation.
due to police activity. Billings Fire Department police at the scene. It's still closed. Huntington Avenue is still closed between Mass Ave and Dartmouth Street
It's a very difficult
due to
thing.
police activity.
Both the patients, especially, and their families, and the
Ring Road is closed at Huntington Avenue.
we do the best we can.
Dartmouth Street is closed between St. James Avenue and Boylston Street. Stewart Street is closed between Dartmouth Street and Berkeley Street.
Can you describe what you saw when this first happened?
St. James Avenue closed between Berkeley Street and Alton Street.
What kind of injuries were you seeing?
Well, we're seeing, and this is the
And St. James Avenue is closed between Arlington Street and Copley Square.
initial.
So if you're gonna happen to be in around that area, try to find some alternate routes around the Copley Square.
These are injuries that we see, but never quite as in so. Not
Okay, traffic-wise,
And the injuries are related to the.
Massachusetts Turnpike after it is congested as you approach the intersection with Wood 128 and Weston, but then in Armadale you usually have some stop and go from Armadale all the way out to Newton Corner, all the way out to also right to Tulls,
And things around where
out onto the Prudential Center Tunnel, and onto the intersection with Interstate 93, the Tip O'Neill Tunnel in Boston. But after that, past that, it's smooth sailing on both sides as you approach the 10 Williams Tunnel out to Logan Airport.
to
93 is Bullhawk fine, and the Temple Deal Tunnel is Bullhawk fine. From Store Drive all the way out to the Best Pack. Store Drive on the westbound side is a little congested around the Esplanade.
The rest of this debris, is that the same situation here?
right when we're not really making
Southeast Expressway on the northbound side is congestion from the Furnace-Brook Parkway in Quincy
some are wood
all the way out to the Columbia Road, Morrissey Boulevard exit.
to us. We're just
Southbound side is Bullhawk 5.
of those fragments.
Dr. Burke, can you talk about the first responder?
McClellan Highway on Route 1A is congested from Route 60 to Revere all the way out to
for the EMS services. They were there. They triaged.
Boardman Street.
Brought them to several different hospitals.
Route 1 is congested
Those hospitals
from the Carter Street
take
and
care of those patients. You know, if they brought them all to one place,
Revere Chelsea all the way down to the Tobin Bridge.
that didn't happen because
But it's Bullhawk 5 in the Charlestown sections there.
organized, so they cannot be praised higher.
Do you think Boston is
And
unique in its ability
Route 1 is, except for that slow spot, is Bulldog 5 from Charlestown all the way out to the
Cities,
95 120 and Peabody.
this and they, you know,
93 is bumper to bumper from
I think most places,
Fellsway West and Medford all the way down into
in certain respects, that we have a lot of places that have
Summit Square, small center in Somerville, so congested on 93.
works well in the situation
And
like this. It can be helpful.
On
I
ramp
think it was in this case.
from 93 to the Store Drive is congested.
Explain how it works when something like this happens. All the calls go through Boston EMS, and they're the ones that...
Right, there's a central system for dispatching this.
Route 2 is below at 495 all the way out to
You're 25 people at each hospital, and you can have
Cambridge.
75.
Route 120 on the Peabody to Gloucester stretch is moving along fine on both sides.
And it's, but
120
it's really
is
important
congested
in the beginning.
on the exit 39 exited Reading,
A little bit medically about
stretching through the I-93
early hours, and then now going forward, what
exited Reading, while 93 is congested as you approach 128 on the northbound side.
Right. So initially, we're worried.
And on the southbound side, 120 is bumping approach to Route 4225 exit in Lexington.
Like that state.
And it's more congested as you try to approach exit 30B on the southbound side, which is Route 2A in Lexington. And it's congested as you approach Route 2 in
It
Lexington.
takes a long time for the people to get better, and there are lots of steps in that
So
process.
at 128 and 95
is evaluating their wounds
on the slow
make sure that-
spot
that there were not,
from
there's not any other
the mess
processes going
just to
on
turn back
to prevent infection, then allowing them to
on ramp to 128 is congested, so allow yourself extra time.
and eventually for these patients to have their wounds closed and then start the rehabilitation.
128 is congested from
And it begins in the beginning.
around the area between Route 1 and Dedham. Otherwise, 120 is modified, except that slow spot Dedham is modified from Weston all the way out to the Great Tree Spit on the southbound side, and the northbound side is congested as you after you approach the intersection with a 95
Try to get
in Westwood, Norwood. There,
work with these patients and their families as well. PTSD is not just about the patients, it's about their families as well.
Route 3
We work with them
in
from-
Burlington is congested as you approach the intersection with 128, but otherwise it's modified from Burlington all the way out to the New Hampshire border. 93 is modified
And
from 120 to the New Hampshire border, 213 modified from Bethune to Lawrence, 95 modified from Peabody all the way out to the New Hampshire border. 495 is modified from Amesbury to Littleton as do you push it on the southbound side, congested from Route 2 at Littleton
we're
all the way out to Route 117 in Bolton by the lines. It's modified on both sides
the kind
from Bolton all the way out to
of incidents. So
Westborough as the Mass Pike is congested as you
this
you approach from the
event was very much focused
northbound side of 495 from Mass Pike. A little congested here.
on other hospitals. We also saw
495 modified on both sides from Westborough to Mansfield and Mansfield all the way out to Wareham.
to the highest level of care, which in this case would be a level 1 trauma center like Boston Medical Center.
95, 24, and 3 are Bulldog fighting from 95, 24 Bulldog fighting from 128 to the Rhode Island border.
Initially,
Route 3 is Bulldog fight from Breakview all the way out to Sagamore. 140 is Bulldog fight from Tulsa to Redford.
To reevaluate these wounds. Because of the capricious nature of trauma, you can't tell exactly.
We'll take a look at the Providence traffic situation. 295 Bulldog fight from Attleboro all the way out to Warwick. 95 is Bulldog fight from
And what happens
the Massachusetts Rhode Island border all the way out to through the downtown province to the Rhode Island border. 610 connector is Bulldog fight.
the damage to
As late as blocked on US 6 between Glenbridge Avenue and Rhode Island 6A is US 6 westbound road construction between Glenbridge Avenue and Route 6A is Hartford Avenue. Providence road construction work is in progress. 2 right lanes and block less updated March 25th.
starting over again. So it's very much a
And Route 4 is Bulldog fight East Greenwich all the way out to Newport. 130 Newport Bridges are Bulldog fight.
right. Cleaning those
79 Bulldog fight around the Fall River area. 195 Bulldog fight from Providence all the way out to Wareham. 25, 28, and 6 of Bulldog fight at Cape. That's going to be it for traffic minutes just on April 17, 2013 on a Wednesday. Pearson, have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye, buddy.
getting our